Thank you so much. You are watching this video. In this video, you will understand the benefits of corn and will know how to consume corn that would be digested. Sometimes we eat corn to roast it. It doesn't digest easily. So keep watching this video till the end. I will tell you how to cook it. Corn is not just a delicious golden treat but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can boost your health in many ways. It's an energy booster. Corn is rich in carbohydrates, the primary source of energy for our bodies. It provides a quick, sustained energy boost, keeping you active and fueled throughout the day. It's fiber rich goodness. Ever heard of fiber? Corn is full of it. Fiber helps in digestion, prevents constipation, and keeps our digestive system healthy. It's like a broom sweeping away waste and toxins from our bodies. It's heart health guardian. Say hello to our heart's best friend, corn. It contains antioxidants like vitamin C and phytochemicals that support heart health by reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Its eye-catching benefits. Want to keep your vision sharp? Corn contain nutrients like which are good for your eyes. They act like bodyguards, protecting your eyes from harmful UV rays and reducing the risk of age-related vision problems. It's a cellular defender. Corn is a treasure trove of tox- antioxidants that help our bodies fight off nasty molecules called free radicals. These antioxidants prevent cell damage and may reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Now I'm going to tell you how to easily cook corn. That is the best way to cook at home. First of all, you have to take off all the leaves from the corn and boil the water and then put all the corn in the pan and leave it for 30 minutes and because you know that they are hard, but these are the baby corn. You can use a baby corn. Now these corns are ready and I take them out from the pan and see the texture and the color. They are looking so fresh and very soft. It's weight management. If you are watching your weight, corn can be a great addition to your diet. It's low in fat and calories but high in fiber, making you feel full and satisfied for longer periods. It's versatile and delicious. Apart from its health benefits, corn is incredibly versatile. From fresh corn on the cob to popcorn, cornbread, and even in salads or soups, there are countless ways to enjoy its goodness. However, it's essential to enjoy corn in moderation and balance it with other nutrient rich foods. While corn offers many health benefits, relying on it might not provide all the nutrients your body needs. Variety is key. Corn is not just a tasty snack, it's a nutritional powerhouse that offers numerous health benefits. So, the next time you savor a delicious corn dish, remember that you are not just enjoying its flavor but also giving your body a boost of essential nutrients. One more thing I wanna let you know that avoid packed popcorn because they harm you. They contain many harmful preservatives. So please avoid them. This overview covers the main health benefits of corn in a simplified manner, emphasizing its nutritional value without delving too deeply into technical details. Like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.